What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we are going to be installing Morimoto's newly designed headlight for the Gen 1 Raptor. Now this headlight is the Morimoto XB Evo LED headlight, and it fits generations from a 2010 to 2014 Gen 1 Raptor. So what are some of those features that Morimoto has instilled in this new headlight? Well guys, there is a welcome sequence, there's dual bi-LED optics, there's actually lens heating in the headlight itself, which is wild to me, high beam assist, and a plethora of other things. So guys, let's get these things installed on the Gen 1 Raptor, and I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, so currently in the video right now, what we are doing is taking out the driver on the back side of the headlights. The reason being is because we did buy the optional supercharged drivers. Now these optional supercharged drivers do have a 30 to 50% light output boost, but also remember that these supercharged drivers are non-compliant for on-road use. Now another thing that makes this headlight unique from Morimoto is the signal swap keys and the options that they give you. As you can see here, we have a black, red, blue, and green options right here. Give you an idea, the black one is an amber DRL with sequential turn signal. The red one is a white DRL, fade off turn signal. The green one is an amber DRL with a fade off turn signal. And the blue one is a white DRL with a sequential turn signal.
Ready for the hardest part? They're fucking disgusting. Yeah, you'll have that on them off-road trucks. These are all fucking. Yeah.
How you feel about that?
That's the good stuff.
Remove your dirt from the connector to get that out of there. Yeah, it's just. Yeah, you want to do these on all the submarines that you work on, because my truck also identifies as a submarine, so you don't want all the corrosion to get in the headlights. Yep, there you go. And then remove the headlight. Depending on if you have halogen lights or if you have factory HID lights will depend on what wiring harness you're going to use to adapt that to that. You want to zip tie up out of the way. Your connections should click like that when you put them in. If they're full of dirt like mine, they're not going to do that. Oh, like that. Yeah, see, better click. Yeah, that one's going to get electrical tape. And like so. This one. Very carefully. Sit down there. Fiberglass. And then what you're gonna do? See these holes and see how big they are? You're gonna wanna just start those, but see how they're still loose? You're going to adjust it with this by moving it in and out.
All right guys, there you have it. That is the installation of the brand new Morimoto XB Evo LED headlight on a Gen 1 Raptor. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, comment down below what you thought about the brand new Morimoto headlights, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.